You hold it. You hold the cup. It's better if you hold it. Just drink it slowly. Another piece of ice. Careful with it, okay? You want to put it back? You can just put it in the glass.
Go.
Is it cold? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, your hand's cold and wet, aren't they? Is that good? Oh.
What are you drinking? Is it tea?
See, it's
My tea.
Jack Daniels. No, just kidding. My tea.
My tea?
My tea.
Good?
Did it go down the wrong pipe?
Was it some ice? Careful.